Guys, everyone please check your audio and video settings, please. Okay. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about what, guys? Yeah. How to develop strategy design pattern using core Java setup, right? 715 Spring Basics. Here is the story. Okay. Later I have introduced. Yeah, tell me all the three rules of strategy design pattern. Prefer composition over inheritance. Number two, always code to interfaces or abstract classes, never code to concrete classes. Number three, our code must be open for extension and must be closed for modification. Must be open for extension and must be closed for modification. This is number three, guys, right? Right, boss. Okay. So now let's improvise. Then I have introduced the properties file, guys. The text file that maintains the entries as key value pairs is called properties file. The content of properties file can be loaded into java.util.properties class object. Right now, boss? With the support of java.util.properties class object. Yeah, with the support of load method. Which method, guys? Load method. Okay. Yeah, I want to make my strategy design pattern core Java application as more loosely coupled application. Okay, by involving properties file with respect to factory class, right? Okay, copy, paste. Strategy pattern core Java properties file. Strategy pattern core Java properties file. Close all editors, guys. Strategy pattern core Java. Here is my properties file, guys. So now let's have a look, guys. com/nt/coms. This part will not be touched. Yeah. So I will take a properties file here, package. Generally properties file will be placed in a package called commons package. com.nt.commons package. Come on. Right. Okay. New. What is there? Other file. New other file. New other file. Say next. Tell me what is the name of the file I should take, guys? Any name I can take. Okay. Info dot properties. A extension also dot properties is optional, guys, but recommended to take. Info dot properties. Nice. com.nt.commons info dot properties, guys. Here, how to write the comments in the properties file using hash symbol. Specify dependent class. Specify the dependent class. Yeah, tell me here what is this? I want to mention dependent class name, guys. Courier dot class name or courier dot dependent. Anything you can take, guys. Anything you can take. Key is my choice, value is my choice. Okay. Com dot nt dot, come on. Com dot nt dot com components dot dtdc. I mentioned my dependent class. Now come to factory, my dear. Come to factory, my dear. This part not required. Okay, now listen. I call this method 100 times. 100 times are you going to load the properties file? No. I want to load properties file. I want to read the content of properties file into properties class object only for one time. Content from the properties object I may read a number of times, but loading properties file, reading content of the properties file into java.util.properties class object should happen only for one time when class is loaded. Class is loaded or object is created. But anyhow, for Flipkart factory, I am not going to create object, no question of executing constructor. So, but when class is loaded, before, in order to call the method, first of all, this class has to be loaded now. So better to place this logic in static block or not? Better to place this logic in static block or not? Tell me, guys. Yeah. Okay. So better to write the logic in what? Static block or not? Private. properties props. Properties props. Tell me. Static, guys. What is there, guys? Static block. Tell me here what is there. Load properties file. Okay, 1 minute. Locate properties file through stream. Through stream. Yeah. Locate properties file. Tell me, guys. Input stream is is equal to strem. Is is equal to new file input stream of tell me what is the location. com/ no, I think by default it will search in what? Project folder, guys. By default it will search in project folder. It is there in which folder? src/main/java/ tell me, guys. com/nt/commons/ tell me. commons/info.properties. Yeah. info.properties. Try, guys. Sir, I have to take exception handling code. Why? Are this method throw checked exception, Rababu. Load properties file content to java.util.properties class object. Properties class object. Props is equal to new properties of props.load is. props.load is. Say something, guys. New properties of props.load is, guys. Tell me, my dear. Catch IO exception IOE. Okay. IOE.print stack address. IOE.print stack address. To handle unknown exceptions, guys. Exception E. IOE.print stack address. Okay. Array, this is just a reference variable. Okay. There's no need of taking like this. Okay. No problem. You have to observe. Sir, why this red color is coming? In the static block, only static data is visible. Props I have not taken static. That's where red color has come. Now that has gone now, boss. All right. Okay. Semicolon here. End of this static block. End of this static block. Are you getting my point, guys? Static. Anyhow, this is also static method, boss. In both places, same thing is required. Array, from static block, there is no question of passing exceptions to others. In static block, exception raised means you have to catch and handle the exception. There is no other option, guys. There is no other option in static block. Nice. Tell me now. Get dependent class name. Get dependent class name. Come on. How to get the dependent class name, guys? We need to get the dependent class name from properties object. Yes or no? No? Okay. Tell me, guys. Courier name. Courier class is equal to our class name is equal to props dot get. What is the key, guys? What is the key, guys? Courier dot class. That's the key. Okay, boss. Next, load the class. Load the dependent class. Class dot for name, guys. Courier class. Okay. Array, all these are going to throw some exceptions, guys. So, but I am not interested to catch and handle those exceptions. I want to propagate to the caller. Then better to declare the exception to be thrown using throw statement or not. Better to declare the exception to be thrown using throw statement or not, guys. Load the class. When class is loaded, you will get object of java.lang.class having loaded class details or not. Having loaded class details or not. Next. Create the object for loaded class. Create the object for loaded class. Tell me here. Okay. Courier is equal to courier is equal to courier is equal to, tell me here what is that? C dot new instance of C dot new instance of, but that is a deprecated one. No, I don't want to get the deprecated ones. Then we'll go for what? Constructor cons array is equal to C dot get declared constructors. C dot get declared constructor. Now tell me, courier is equal to courier of cons array dot new instance. Cons array 0 dot new instance. No arguments to pass. Or I want to create object using 0 param constructor, guys. Okay, guys. Understood my statement, guys? Yeah, I will take a local variable for it. I'll take a local variable for it. Yeah, now tell me, guys, whatever the class name, I can refer with this interface reference variable or not. Array, the class may be the blue dot, the class may be XYZ in future, but I can refer with what? Common interface reference variable or not. That's why wantedly, actually it returns object class object, guys. It actually returns object class object, but I'm typecasting with what? This. I am typecasting with this. Okay. I think you can avoid that typecasting also if I mention courier here. Courier, then there is no need of even doing typecasting. Got it, guys? It's one more way of working with the generics, boss. Get declared constructors, guys. Come on. Get declared constructor. You will get, I'm sure I'm going to get all courier related this one, guys. That's why I'm not doing any typecasting. It basically returns object class object, but because of this, it will start returning courier type objects only. Got the point, guys? Now we are ready with the dependent class object. Target class object ready, guys. We are assigning dependent class object to target class object and returning this. This is end of the method. This is end of the class. Strategy pattern test, guys. All these are not there. No need of now. Is there any need of writing type, guys? No need of writing any type. We already discussed that. Okay, boss. Just call get instance. Just call get instance. Get instance. Only the thing is that method throws exception, guys. Okay. Try, guys. Okay. Then what is there? Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack. Guys. Remaining all are same. Got the factory. Invoke business method. Display results. Strategy pattern test, guys. Strategy pattern test. Yeah, DTDC class object is created, target created, courier is set to target, shopping method is going on, and this is the result that we are displaying. No, I don't like DTDC. Go for what? Blue dot. Am I touching source code of factory class, guys? No. It's happening or not happening? Blue dot came into picture. Blue dot came into picture. Everyone understood my statement, guys? Sir, when this static block executes, first this one only will execute. The moment Flipkart factory class is loaded, this only will execute. Static block. Yeah. We cannot, our code is to take one class as dependent class at a time, right? Understanding? Our code is designed, Flipkart will use one dependent class at a time, right now, boss? Yeah, first static block, guys, then get instance method. In get instance method, there is a provision to get the dependent class name from properties file through properties object. Then target class object creation, setter method to assign dependent to target, shopping method, and here is the business method. I hope you enjoyed the logic, guys. Okay. Okay, once again, see the flow. I run the application, control comes to main method. Come on. Flipkart factory dot get instance. Before calling method, class has to be loaded. When class is loaded, static block executes. In static block, code is there to locate the properties file and to store properties file content into java.util.properties class object. Done. Then control go to get instance. Okay, in properties object, dependent class name is there. What is there? com.nt.components.blue dot. That came, guys. Class is loaded, guys. Loaded or not? That came, guys. Class is loaded, guys. Come on. That came, guys. Class is loaded, guys. Come on. And we are getting all the declared constructors, guys. Object is created. Somehow dependent class object is created or not? Created. Then target class object creation. Target class object creation. Okay, courier object is set to Flipkart and return to Flipkart. Say something, my dear. Things are happening as expected or not? Things are taking place as expected or not? I want reply, my dear boss. Okay, that has come here and we are doing the things. No need of doing typecasting also, boss. If you mention X, it will return X class object. If you mention Y, it will return. Array, any dependent class is the implementation class of courier interface, guys. Come on. So I mentioned generic type courier here. Anyhow, this instance method is going to return one or other implementation class object of courier only. That's the reason. No need of doing typecasting. So see, because of this, new instance method return type becomes what you know? Courier. New instance method courier return type becomes courier. Suppose if I don't take it, new instance method return type is what? Object. New instance. If you take it, array, that's a speciality of what? Generics. I don't know whether you studied this part of generics or not. Okay. Yeah, because of this return type, we change it to courier or not, guys. Enjoyed, guys? Okay. We can make our strategy pattern. Okay, strategy pattern, core Java application as more flexible application. As what, guys? As more flexible application. Tell me. As more flexible application. As more flexible application. Okay. By taking the support of properties file. Okay, what is that, guys? Properties file and java.util.properties class object. Yes, guys. To place class level one-time executing logics, we use class level one-time executing logic, we use static block. Similarly, object level one-time executing logics will be placed in constructors. Similarly, object level one-time executing logics will be placed in constructor. Got it, guys? Super, guys. Yes, this is improved code, guys. Here is my improved code. Nice, boss. Flipkart factory, guys. Yeah, Flipkart factory. This one. This is factory class, guys. Okay. Flipkart factory, guys. Strategy pattern test. There is my client. Here is my client. This is my client application. This is my factory, guys. Yeah, these components are same na, boss? Okay. What are the most important logics here? Locating properties file is one important logic, guys. And this one, load method, is another important one. Next, loading dependent class is important logic. Getting its constructor is also important logic. Object creation also an important logic. Even what, guys? Object creation also an important logic. Cool, guys. I hope you got the clarity, my dear. Come on. Fine. So client application, anyhow, regular story, guys. That's not a big thing. So in this whole process, I have not given properties file. Let me give properties. Info dot properties. Info dot properties. Okay, guys. Limitations of implementing. Okay. Strategy pattern using core Java. Using core Java. Yeah, tell me, guys, one by one. Yeah, since there is no IOC container, since there is no IOC container, we should take factory pattern class separately. Factory pattern class separately. Okay, was separately to create objects for target comma dependent classes and to assign dependent class object to target class object. Aisa no na, boss? Come on. Dependent class object to target class object. So that means manually we have to take care of everything, guys. Next one, guys. Okay. There is no internal cache support. Are created bean class objects are kept internal cache? No. Okay. There is no internal cache support directly. We should implement explicitly. We should implement explicitly, guys. Next. Okay, boss. Okay, guys. We need to take properties file. Okay, file for getting loose coupling. For getting loose coupling. For getting loose coupling. But we cannot work with we cannot prepare properties file by applying DTDR XSD rules. We cannot prepare properties file by applying DTDR XSD rules. Can we prepare properties file by applying rules, guys? Tomorrow I given wrong key. Anyone says you are wrong? I say tomorrow I have not followed syntax of key is equal to value pairs. Anyone says that I am wrong, guys? Anyone says that I'm wrong, guys? Come on. Next, multiple aspects should be taken care by programmers. That means the burden on the programmers will be increased or not. All right, come on, guys. Multiple aspects should be taken care by programmer. That means burden on the programmer should be increased or not, guys. Will be increased or not? Will be increased or not? Right. Okay. Like this, some limitations are there, guys. Definitely limitations are there. Okay. To overcome all these problems, take the support of, what is this? All these problems, take the support of, what is that, guys? IOC container. Take the support of Spring supplied. Take the support of Spring framework to develop strategy pattern application. To simply develop what application, guys? Strategy pattern application, guys. Yes. Shall I develop the same application as Spring based application, guys? So, super, guys. Now tell me. IOC pros 10, guys. Strategy pattern. Here what Spring comes into picture. Spring comes into picture. Okay. No need of this, guys. I'm removing this. Oh, IOC pattern 10. Close all. Nice. COMPS. Delete it. Right click new package. com.nt.config. com.nt.config. Tell me here what is there? Others. Okay, here what is there, guys? Spring Bean configuration file. Here what is there? Okay, XML file, guys. As usually, XML file. In our old style, XML file. Say next. What is the name? Application context dot XML. Say next. Create a file from template. Say finish. Yes, this is my application context.xml. Array, in any place, from any place, you get the XSD rules. So document importing XSD rules. Beans, guys. End of the beans. Yes, boss. Tell me next one. Okay. Configure dependent classes. Configure dependent classes. Bean ID is equal to DTDC. Class is equal to DTDC. com.nt.coms.DTDC. Bean ID is equal to B dot. Class is equal to com.nt.blue dot. Next, configure target class. Bean ID is equal to FPKT. Class is equal to Flipkart. com.nt.coms.flipkart. Yes, boss. Okay, guys. Now tell me. I would like to go for setter injection because I have taken setter method now, boss. I have taken setter method. Property name is equal to courier, guys. Tell me. Ref is equal to DTDC. Ref is equal to DTDC. That's it, guys. This I am doing for setter injection. This I am doing for setter injection. Yes, boss. That's it, guys. This is done now, boss. Easy. Sir, both dependents are I configured both so that without touching what? Source code of Java source code. I can move to DTDC to blue dot to DTDC. Okay, outside the Java source code. Tomorrow, new dependent class comes. I will configure here and I will move to that one by writing its bean ID. So again, here also loose coupling is there or not there, guys? Here also loose coupling is there or not there? Definitely there, right? But we are doing in XML. If you use wrong tag, wrong attribute, there is someone to correct us, right? In properties file, is there any someone to correct us? Here we have XSD rules to import to check whether we are writing tags and attributes perfectly or not. What do you say, guys? Yeah, is there any need of factory, guys? No. IOC container itself acting as a factory, right? Yeah. Create first 1 minute. Hold the name and location of properties. Yes, boss. Oh, I think while making this one as a Spring application, guys, in pom.xml, we should add that Jarna, boss. Only JUnit is there. But is it sufficient? Not sufficient. We need to add one additional jar file or not? Yeah. By collecting from mvnrepository.com. By collecting it from mvn repository jar file. We need to add main jar file. Automatically, it gives me dependent jar file. Super, guys. Tell me here what is there. Spring context support. Spring context support 5.3.9. Yes, paste it. Spring context support, guys. Strategy pattern test, guys. Here is my setter injection. Strategy pattern test. Okay. Hold the name and location of properties file. Hold the name and location of properties file, guys. Tell me how to deal with this, guys. Yeah, I think class path resource is the best one, right? Class path resource res is equal to new class path resource of, yeah, tell me. By default, all Maven directories are, Maven generated directories are in class path. So com/nt/cfz/application context.xml. Application context.xml. Okay. Achha, we are using default oh, nice. Sorry. Then. If you are using default, all these are not required, right? Create IOC container. Default listable. Default listable bean factory. Factory is equal to new default listable bean factory. Done. Next, XML bean definition reader. Reader is equal to new XML bean definition reader, guys. Of factory. Next, reader dot load bean definitions. Load bean definition. Tell me. com/nt/config/application context.xml. Application context.xml. Next, get target class object. Target Spring Bean class object, guys. Get a target Spring Bean class object. Tell me how to get it, guys. Okay. What is target this time? Flipkart. FPKT is equal to. Tell me. Flipkart FPKT is equal to factory.getBean. All improvisations I'm applying. Yeah, first one, what is this? FPKT dot comma Flipkart dot class. Required class, guys. Generics with the generic support, this one, guys. Invoke business method. Invoke business method. String MSG is equal to fpkt dot shopping guys new string array shirt. Array shirt. Good Friday is over na. Okay, I think Eid is coming, right? Shirt, trouser, new string array, shirt, trouser. Next one, shirt, trouser, belt. Array, some shopping, guys. Okay. Next, new double array. New double array. New double array. Shirt 1,000 rupees. Dot 0. Trouser to 3,000 rupees. Dot 0. Okay. Next one is what? Belt 500 rupees. Dot 0. Then boss. Array, whatever you want, guys. Sys out message. Sys out message. Yeah, that's it. Right now I have enabled setter injection. In setter injection, first target, then dependent class object will be created. Now you can feel that one practically, check it out. Yeah, first target, then dependent. Happening or not happening. Then setter method to assign, then business method is called, guys. Okay, boss. Now listen. I did not like DTDC. I want B dot. B dot. Strategy pattern test, guys. Flipkart here blue dot. Okay. Are we are getting flexibility or not? Loose coupling or not? Are Spring also giving loose coupling or not? Because of Spring Bean configuration file, are we not enjoying loose coupling, boss? And very easy. You need not to have factory separately. Burden on the programmer will be reduced, guys. Will be definitely reduced or not. Tushar, you are having a lot of time to waste. Huh? Okay. Tushar, last time warning, guys. Next time onwards, if I see you, if you are doing this kind of naughty works, okay, I will remove you from the meeting. Fine. Who asked you to check whether that option is on or not? When this much serious classes are happening, this content is happening. Okay, that indicates you are not focusing. Right. Here is my shopping method. Here is my courier method. Zero param constructor, this one. And everything is coming as expected or not, guys? Right, guys. Now listen. Strategy DP application using Spring Framework. Strategy DP application using Spring Framework. Systrace will give more details about the raised exception, guys. Systrace will print. Acha, Systrace. Acha, this one you are asking us. Systrace will print SOP with message, na? Systrace is the, you're talking about this. Yeah, if you want to get SOP with message, you have to use systrace. Okay. Yeah, this part is not changed, guys. Yeah, for new courier company also, you need not to disturb the Java code. Okay. Tell me here, same as previous, same as above application. Spring Bean configuration file is new, client application is new. Right. Where is this application context.xml? Application context.x. Say paste. Next, here is my client application. Here is my client application. If interested, you can write DTDC also. Okay. Sushant Mikar, you never heard what is random number? Without knowing random number, you completed core Java, na, my dear. Random class, random number, you never heard? Super. Are there is a random class. Did you ever open the code, my dear? Did you ever open the code? Did you ever try to understand this line? This is the class, guys. This is the class, right? Okay. This is the class. Object is created. One method is called. Next into 10,000 or 1 lakh is given. It will generate random number. This is upper limit. This will generate random number between 0 to 10. 0 to minus this number. Okay. 0 to upper limit minus 1. This is upper limit na. It won't generate 1 lakh ever. It always generate minus 1 only. Got it? First see the code, my dears. Overconfidence, attitude, laziness never makes you anything. You got a doubt what is how order ID is coming. At least you have to see the code na before asking. Muddy fellows. Don't do this mistake after joining in the companies, please. Don't go to TL for every small problem. One day he will give left and right. Otherwise, he will doubt your experience. Okay. At least initial 1 year. If you want to speak something with superior, prepare and go. Observe everything clearly and go. Otherwise, initial days image will matter. Initial days image will continue until you work for that company. So don't spoil your initial days image. Right, guys. Now tell me, guys. Advantages of developing. Tell me. Strategy pattern. Advantages of developing strategy pattern. Using. What is that, guys? Using Spring framework. Using Spring framework. ये Yeah. Okay. No need of developing. No need of developing factory pattern separately. Okay, because the IOC container itself acts as factory B. IOC container itself B. Okay. IOC container gives internal cache. What guys? Internal cache support to hold Spring Bean class objects. Next one. Internal cache to hold Spring Bean class objects for reusability. Reusability. Next, guys, simply for reusability, this one is useful, guys. What's the next thing to focus, guys? Okay. We configure Spring Beans. Okay. Spring Beans injections in XML file. Okay. Which in which tell me, XSDR DTD rules can be imported. Next, guys, D, in which XSDR DTD rules can be imported, guys. Right, guys. because of the ready-made IOC container and its activities, the burden on the, what is that? The burden on the programmer will be reduced. Okay. Next, using the support of Spring Bean configuration file, we can get IOC container is basically flyweight, guys, but flyweight internally uses factory. Okay, using the support of Spring Bean configuration file, we can achieve loose coupling. That means we can move from one dependent to another dependent. Yes, we can move from one dependent to another dependent without modifying the source code. Yes or no, guys? Yes, guys. And when these many advantages are there, so better to go for what? Spring to implement strategy design pattern. I think now you enjoyed why we are learning Spring. I bet 10 years experienced person also cannot get this clarity. Why is using Spring? You go and ask me, Why are you using Spring? Container is there. Container is there. What is the advantage of that container? So that's why wantedly I planned second application like this. Though in this count 10 may be there, but for me second application only completed. So far the second application only completed. That's it. Number of projects are 10 guys, but according to me, second application only completed. And I hope you got crystal clear clarity about what work, why we should learn Spring Framework. What is the benefit of, come on. Okay. What is the benefit of developing same application using core Java setup, using Spring setup? Okay. Right, guys? Crystal clear clarity has come now. Okay. Now let me keep all these projects in the Git, guys. Team boss, share projects, guys. Okay. I think I always say problem and solution, you know that. That's what I'm trying to say. Right. Right click, guys. Team, commit. Okay. What is there? Strategy pattern DP. Strategy pattern DP. Commit and push. You don't have Git URL, I'm giving save it. If you don't have, I'm giving save it, my dear. Okay. We are ready with this, guys. Super, guys. Now, listen. Okay. The best idea. Okay. The exclusive IDE. Listen, everyone, please listen. This is very crucial. IDE for Spring Framework. Spring or Spring Boot programming is STS. What is that STS? Spring Tool Suite. Spring Tool Suite. Yes, na boss. Listen. STS, exclusive ID. This is designed only for Spring, guys. This is designed only for Spring. Okay. But the industry is habituated with. The industry is habituated with Eclipse. Eclipse. So, okay, so we prefer adding STS IDE facilities to Eclipse IDE by adding STS plugin to Eclipse. By adding STS plugin to Eclipse, guys. Convinced, my dear? Okay. I want both, best of both. So it's better to link Eclipse, STS with Eclipse, na? LG TV is good. Sony sound system is good. Link both, ra babu. Link both. Right now, boss. Okay, fine. What is plugin? Plugin is a patch software. Plugin is a soft patch software that provides additional functionalities functionalities on the top of existing software that provides additional functionalities on the top of existing software, guys. Comfortable, my dear? Got the clarity, boss? That provides additional functionalities on the top of what? Existing software. Patch means small, Rabab. Patchwork. Patch. Small. Patch means small, Rabab. Patchwork means pending work, kind of. Connecting work. That provides additional functionality to the existing software. Right, boss. Okay. Something like your TV is not a smart TV. I want to make your TV a smart TV. Put Amazon Fire Stick. Put Amazon Fire Stick. Your TV automatically becomes smart TV or not? Say something, my dear. Right. Okay, boss. Okay. Now listen. Procedure to add STS plugin to. Yeah, some people are using STS ID directly, guys, but I don't recommend that. Industry standard is Eclipse with STS plugin. Yes, some companies moved to IntelliJ, guys. No doubt, IntelliJ, but IntelliJ is commercial one. Still, market leader is Eclipse. Eclipse with STS plugin is the great procedure to add STS plugin to Eclipse ID. Some advantages are there. Now we are developing XML, then importing XSD rules. If you have STS plugin or STS ID, okay, you can directly create Spring Bean configuration file by selecting the namespace. Okay. Yes. Procedure to add STS plugin to this one. Okay, guys. Tell me here what is there. Eclipse Marketplace, guys. Eclipse Marketplace. You have to search for it. STS. Go. STS. Spring 4 3.2.9 release. Don't install 4, guys. Don't install 4. Try to install 3 only. But don't install all multiple versions also. Install only one version. That's it. Install. It takes a bit time, guys. We need everything. Okay. Anything you can use, guys. Not a problem. If you have Eclipse, you can install STS plugin. Still. Yeah, what's the process, guys? Help menu. Eclipse Marketplace. Eclipse help menu was first important. Help menu. Eclipse Marketplace. Search for STS. Search for STS. Go. Okay, Spring Tool Suite. 3. Any version, select install. That's it. Install. Restart ID. Install restart ID. Oh, one more thing is there. Accept terms and conditions. Finish. Yeah, installation is going on, guys. Accept terms and conditions. Accept terms and conditions. Restart ID. Fine. Going on, guys. Installation is going on. You just need to restart the system. Yeah. How this Git staging comes, you need not to worry about, Sudha madam. You just need to download. Na? If you want to get it, show view, others Git. Others Git, repositories and staging. These are the 2 things I have selected. Show view option. Takes bit of time, guys. And you have to restart the ID whenever it asks. You will be ready. Yeah, what's the advantage of installing STS plugin? I will talk in tomorrow's session. Okay, but everyone please complete installation. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to use STS plugin. Yeah, tomorrow no class, guys. My focus is on other batch. Okay, next class will be on Monday. Our next class will be on Monday. Thank you. Okay. Achha, 1 minute, guys. Don't leave the meeting. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow is Sunday. Now onwards, I will give some videos to watch on Sundays, guys. I'll give weekday time. I'll start using the videos. Okay. Every day we are using Meven, boss. I'll give Meven videos to watch. Awesome content of Meven I have created, guys. Okay. Total 4 videos are there on Meven. Please do watch and come. Okay. See, it is restarting, boss. Yes. Everyone, please save these videos. Please collect these URLs. Please collect these URLs.